Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make V-belt pulley in SolidWorks. We learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New and click Part and click OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now draw the rectangle to straight from origin and give the dimension this line dimension 41 and this point and this line dimension 25 and this point and this point distance 12. Now go to this point and this point vertical. Now go to make center line to from origin. Now go to feature and dribbles. OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. You just select here plain white. Now draw the tribus, draw the line here. Now go to here, select hidden line. Just select this line. Now go to this hidden line visible, select this line convert entities. Now go to trim tools, cut this line. Now given the below, this point and this line. Now you first of all making the center line to here, center line make the vertical. Now this line and this line making degree 35. Okay. Now this line dimension 4 and this point and this line or this point dimension 3.8. Now select here. Now go to fillet tools and point 6 select and this line fillet. Okay. Now go to here making center line to from origin. Now go to feature and select the revolve card. Just select here center line. Okay. Now go to here shaded, select. Now go to linear pattern. First of all, you show the axis from axis show. Hide all types from axis show. Now go to linear pattern and select the axis. Now go to here again. Now just select here cut revolve. I have need 8 or 9 select, give the value 4.80. Now here select 2, just select axis, direction change. Okay, both patterning direction are parallel to avoid the performance impact. Use option pattern seed only. Okay. Just select geometry pattern. Okay. Okay, you can select only one pattern, direction one, no need to just select here one. Okay. Yes, and here select 8 below. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, now go to again edit just below 4 point, sorry, for 8 select here given below 4.4. Okay, yes. Now go to select here chamfer option, chamfer. Now select to here select chamfer. Okay, okay. Make our job. Now go to isometric view. Now select here shaded select and go to axis option undo. Now go to this face and sketch need key slot from here. Now go to draw the rectangle here, select. Now give the dimension this line and this line dimension 27.4, 27, 13.7 as you wish. Now select here, give the dimension 10. Okay. Now go to select midpoint, control this point, coincident. Okay, now go to isometric view and feature and extrude card. Now go to through all use. Okay. Now go to use materials, appearance, select here, metal, polish silver, polish platinum as you wish, your material select. Now select here. Okay, make our job. Go to isometric view. Now select color white. As you wish, color select. Select part. Okay. No need, you just select here plain white. Okay. Go to isometric view and select here ash color. Select here. Select here. Okay. Now go to here. Make your job. Thank you all. Everyone share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.